Hello everyone, this is Rebecca from IMIX Group, which is a top construction machinery manufacturer in China. Today we have an instruction about our concrete mixer pump. This kind of pump mainly used in the house, commercial building, road, bridge, and tunnels. It has the advantage of easy moving, flexible, save labor, and high speed. Let's start from the power supply system. We use the worksite brand engine. You can also change it to Cummins. And this is our air cooling system. This is the feeding system. The lifting hopper is 1 cube, and after lifting the aggregate, it discharges into the mixer drum. After finished the mixing, the ready concrete will be discharged to the pump hopper. You can see there is also a mixing shift inside. Then the ready concrete use the pipelines pump to your site. This is our best selling model, and we also have other models. If you have any interested, you can contact us directly. My friend, you do business, we do safety and quality. Hope to cooperate with you. Thank you.
Here I'd like to share our export history of concrete mixer pump and concrete pump. For now, we exported to the Philippines market more than 30 sites, Middle Asia market more than 45 sites, Indonesia market more than 20 sites, Pakistan market more than 15 sites, Latin America market more than 10 sites, other markets totally more than 60 sites. We know you are worried about the after-sales service. IMIX has professional after-sales service team. 18 engineers all have APAC business travel card, can fly to your site anytime to supply service. At present, we have 5 overseas offices: Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Pakistan, Uzbekistan. As of 2020, we have been to nearly 20 countries to provide installation and after-sales service for more than 1,000 customers.